Hey guys, welcome back to Animal Company on our brand new channel, Mr. Top Hat and Farmer Jake. And we basically are just going to be posting Animal Company content, and this is our first video. Today we're going to be, I made a helicopter and he made a fighter, or he stole a fighter jet. And we're going to be showcasing them, and then at the end of the video, we're going to have a battle, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's go. Get your thing.
Alright, got it.
I'll show mine first, and then I'll show hers. So, oh gosh.
Hopefully mine does not glitch.
So basically, mine's supposed to be based off of an Apache helicopter, which is basically like a attack helicopter. And U.S. Army. It has 3 rocket launchers on each side, and it can fire them. It has armor, so it can block bullets, and it has a bunch of fans to propel. And you have a little safe spot inside. You can fly around and launch missiles at people. And this is what I'm gonna be fighting. Right now for his fighter jet, or like B-2 bomber. So what do you got here?
I got my B-2 bomber. Kind of.
You got RPGs,
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I got some bombs in here.
grenade launchers, to drop bombs like
Yeah.
flares kinda, propellers,
Yeah.
thrusters, nice frame, tablet to see enemies, umbrella to float. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now we're gonna test out what they can do. So I want you to fly up in the air and then shoot that wall right there, all the way on that end.
Shoot the wall?
Shoot the wall, yeah.
All
with
the way
your
over there?
RPGs.
Okay.
Yeah. Boom! That was cool. There's the big small place. What the? Oh yeah, he shot his grenade launchers. Alright, that's cool. Now I'm gonna fly mine and show what it can do. Mine's kind of hard to see out of, but I'll try to make it as easy to see out of as possible for you guys. Here we go. Wait, I might have a backpack on. No, I don't. Anyways, here we go.
Alright, go.
Shooting mine. 3, 2, 1. Just an absolute tank. Alright, that's
Alright.
yeah.
Yeah, yours does not have the bombs
Grenade
in the back.
launchers. I was gonna
Yeah.
add that, but I ran out of a goop like amount. I put too much on, so it didn't let me put any more things on. Bro. Anyways, reload. Let's reload our rocket launchers, and then we'll
Alright.
battle.
I'm sorry.
Are we
Alright, you
launching?
too. Thank you. Alright, I'm ready. I gotta load my relauncher back. Oh, alright, this side. I have a wider box on the back line.
Ah, good.
Alright, we're
I'll go to the
I'm
other
just flying
end.
around.
Yeah, I'll go to the other end, and then we're just gonna fight each other. Alright. You ready?
Not yet.
Alright, get to your spot.
3, 2.
Let's shoot. I might be jumping. I'm falling the wall. Oh, dang. I got nukes. Alright, res me. I don't know where my helicopter
Yep, I
went.
got you. Oh, no.
Where did my...
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, you're up there.
Why is my... It's turned into a mini copter, bro. Alright, get your rock... Alright. Yeah, just use your grenade launchers. Your bombs are like flares. Launching. Oh my gosh. Secret weapon. Alright, I'll revive you. Dude, that was an amazing battle.
Alrighty.
That was an amazing battle.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
yeah,
get you
that.
next time.
Yes. We'll make more. We should make tanks next time. That'll be our next video.
Oh, frick.
We're gonna... Oh gosh.
No. I guess this is a retreating.
Soaring away. Hold on, I got that. See you guys next time.